Namaste. This is Arunendra. I welcome you all in this weight loss series powered by Shwasa. I hope you all are doing this practice of the weight loss series every day, and after 30 days you will see amazing changes. So please keep doing the class every day. Those who have missed the previous classes, please do attend all these sessions just to learn the basics of yoga. Let's start the session with one Om chant. Join the hands, close your eyes, inhale and exhale 3 times. One Om mantra. Inhale. All right. Open your eyes. Let's start the warm up. Clockwise, big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. This is great. Now feet just hip width apart. You come in chair pose and stand. Inhale, chair pose and stand. 2. Come on, 10 times. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, down, hands up. Exhale, stand. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. Inhale, exhale. 7. Inhale, exhale. 8. Very good. Inhale, exhale. 9. Nice. Inhale, exhale. 10. Well done, guys. Now Surya Namaskara practice will do 5 rounds with variations. So come at the front of the mat. Feet together, palms by the sides of your thighs, shoulders out, chest up. Join the hands, namaste. Raise the arms, you bend back slightly but keep looking forward. Exhale, slowly bend forward, fingers down. Step the right leg back, put the knee down, head up, chest up. Now the hips up, other leg back. Put the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, head and chest up. Exhale, hips up, mountain pose. Inhale, right leg forward. Now the left leg forward. Inhale, hands up and namaste. Left side. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Left leg back. Now the other leg back. Knees, chest, chin down. Head and chest up. Exhale, hips up. Left leg forward in between the hands. Now the right leg also. Inhale, come up, bend back, and namaste. Great. Second round. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Step the right leg back. Now you hips up, other leg back. Knees down, chest, chin down. Head and chest up, cobra. Exhale, mountain. Very good. Right leg forward. Yeah. Then left leg also. Inhale, hands up, bend back, and namaste. Nice. Inhale, hands up, bend back. Exhale, down. Left leg back. Then other leg back. Knees down, chest, chin down. Head up, chest up. Hips up, down dog. Left leg forward. Then right leg forward. Hands up, bend back. Namaste. Nice. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, right back. Yeah. Now the other leg back. Knees, chest, chin down. Head and chest up. Exhale, hips up. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left. Hands up, bend back, and namaste. Very good. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Left leg back. Now other leg back. Knees, chest, chin down. Head and chest up. Exhale, hips up. Left leg forward. Then other leg forward. Inhale, come up. Namaste. 2 more rounds, okay? Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Right leg back. Now the hips up, other leg back. You hold in plank pose and just move the right knee to the right elbow 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Touch. 5. Keep the hip and shoulders in one line. 6, 7. Don't take the hips back, please, every time. 8. Hips and shoulders are stable. 9. Only the leg is moving. 10. All right. Knees down, chest and chin down. Head and chest up. Exhale, hips up. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Inhale, hands up. Namaste. Very good. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Left leg back. Now the hips up, other leg back. All right. Left knee to the elbow 10 times. Slowly, please. 1, 2. Those who can manage to keep the leg up in the air, please keep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, guys. Knees, chest, chin down. Head and chest up. Exhale, mountain. Left leg forward. Right leg forward. Inhale. Namaste. It's last round, okay? Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Right leg back. Left leg back. Everybody, right hand up and hold in side plank. 1. Want to keep it easy? Just put the top leg in the front of the hip. Or just little intense, both legs straight. 3, 4, 5. Engage the side belly, the obliques. 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Shoot the hips more up against the gravity. 8, 9, 10. Release. Knees down, chest and chin down. Head and chest up. Hips up. Inhale, right leg forward. Yeah. Now the left leg forward. Hands up, bend back. And namaste. Great. Last from left side. Raise the hands up. Exhale, down. Yes. Left leg back. Hips up, other leg back. Now left hand up, guys. Hold here. 1. Look forward or down. Don't look up. 2, 3. Keep the hips stretched against the gravity. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Knees down, chest and chin down. Superb. Head up, chest up. And exhale, hips up. Inhale, left leg forward. Then right leg forward. Slowly come up. And namaste. Well done. Relax. Take break 30 seconds. We'll start the next asanas, practice dynamic movements from mountain pose. So put the hands here and come in the down dog position. Feet hip width apart. Bring the right leg forward. Hands up to warrior pose. Okay. Then exhale, hands down, leg back. Just keep moving with me. Knees down, chest, chin down. Head up, chest up. Exhale, hips up. Okay. Inhale, left leg forward. Hands up. Exhale, down. Leg back. Knees, chest, chin. Head up, chest up. Hips up. Okay, 1 done. We'll do 4 more. Right leg forward. Hands up. Down. Leg back. Knees, chest, chin. Head up, chest up. And hips up. Okay. Left leg forward. Hands up. Exhale, down. Leg back. Knees, chest, chin. Head up, chest up. And hips up. Okay. Inhale, right leg. Hands up. Down. Right leg back. Knees, chest, chin. जो knees chest नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वो लेट जाएं simply. Can lie down now if not possible. Head up, chest up, hand straight and mountain. Left leg forward. Inhale. Exhale, down. Leg back. Knees, chest. Head up, chest up. And hips up. Two more. Right leg, hands up. Exhale down, leg back, knees, chest, chin, head up, chest up, hips up. Very good. Left leg forward. For weight loss, you need to keep moving, just don't stop. 30 minutes, no break during practice, okay? कोई ब्रेक नहीं 30 मिनट तक, एक एक और. राइट लेग आगे लाएं और इस बार होल्ड करें. 1, 10 counts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down, leg back, knees, chest, chin, head up, chest up, hips up. Left leg forward, hands up, hold. Keep breathing. 1. जब भी थकान लगे तो use your mouth to exhale, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down, leg back, and relax. Take break. Okay, hope the practice was clear, simple. बहुत आसान थी. ज़रूरी था क्या इसमें कि आपको मूव करते रहें. तो ऐसे ही हम जो आगे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, we just have to keep moving, okay? Don't break. Try to, body को थकाना है. Try to sweat more. Try to breathe more. And this is how we can burn more calories. All right, now शुरू करें. Shall we start the next? Okay, again down dog position. This time bring the right leg right hand के बाहर लाइए ऐसे, ठीक? और लेफ्ट लेग को लेफ्ट हैंड के बाहर लाएं. हिप्स डाउन, चेस्ट अप. अब यहीं से हिप्स अप, फिर हिप्स डाउन, चेस्ट अप. वन लेग बैक, अदर लेग बैक, ओके? नीज, चेस्ट, चिन अगेन, हेड अप, चेस्ट अप, हिप्स अप. 5 times. अब इस बार लेफ्ट लेग को लाएं पहले, फिर राइट लेग डाउन, चेस्ट अप, hips up, down again, legs back, go down, head up, chest up, hips up. अब right leg आगे लाएं, then left, head up, hips up, down, legs back, lie down, head up, chest up, hips up. 2 more, okay? Right leg, left leg here, and hips up, hips down. अगर पेस थोड़ा सा फास्ट हो रहा है तो एक बार मुझे कमेंट करके बता देना आप. लेग्स बैक, नीज, चेस्ट और लाई डाउन, हेड अप, चेस्ट अप, हिप्स अप. एक एक और, ओके? एक नहीं, सॉरी, एक और. सो हिप्स अप, chest up again, legs back, go down, knees, chest up, and hips up. Relax. Take break, okay? Well done. You can also track. जिनके पास स्टॉप फिटनेस वॉच है, आप ट्रैक किया करो स्टार्टिंग से लेकर 30 मिनट तक प्रैक्टिस जो हम करते हैं. Just try to track how much calories you burn in these 30 minutes practice, okay? Or gradually we can increase that calorie count. Maybe if you are burning 100, 150 calories, try to increase that, yeah? Try to push more. Great. Now the next is here only. You keep the hand straight, हाथ सीधे रख के ऐसे, फिर बैक, फॉरवर्ड. ये हो सके तो थाइस को नहीं टच करें आप, बट कंफर्टेबल है तो टच कर सकते हो. बट इफ पॉसिबल टू कीप इट अप, प्लीज कीप इट. बैक, फॉरवर्ड, back, forward, back. Very good. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. 3 more. Forward, back, forward, back, forward and back. Relax. Well done. Just breathe. Keep wiping the sweat. पसीना आगे से पोंछते रहो, हाथ को साफ करते रहो ताकि मैट स्लिप नहीं हो आपका. रिलैक्स. कमेंट्स बहुत कम मिल रहे हैं वीडियोस में, तो ट्राई टू पुट कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. लेट्स इंटरेक्ट. दैट्स द ओनली वे वेयर वी कैन इंटरेक्ट, है ना. तो जस्ट पुट योर कमेंट्स. आई विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. ग्रेट. Shall we start the next practice? Yeah? Show me your thumbs up. Perfect. So, see, mountain pose. Now just bend the legs और अपने hips को just take the hips to the heels. पीछे की तरफ हाथ सीधा रखे ऐसे. ठीक, यहाँ थे हम mountain pose पे थे. Hips back. Bend the legs. Come in plank pose. Okay? Let's start. All right. Back. Forward 2, back, forward 3, back, forward 4, back, forward 5, back, forward 6, back 7, back 8, back 9, back 10. Done. Relax. ओके, अमेजिंग. कैसा लग रहा है? गुड, नाइस. ठीक है, अब बस थोड़ी सी 5 मिनट्स की प्रैक्टिस और है. सो जो रिमेनिंग प्रैक्टिस है उसके लिए हम थोड़ा सा कोर और एक्टिवेट करने वाले हैं. साइड प्लैंक. पैर आप एक दूसरे के सामने रखें. जो थोड़ा सा और इजी करना चाहते हैं, दे कैन कीप द लेग, टॉप लेग, ऊपर वाला पैर सामने. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके, दूसरी तरफ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now lie on your back. जस्ट एक पैर को ऐसे आप पकड़ लो. एनी लेग यू कैन चूज, और दूसरा पैर नीचे रहेगा. ठीक, अब हिप्स अप करना है. 1, अपने आप से जस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कंफर्ट यू कैन एडजस्ट दिस लेग. बॉटम लेग, नीचे वाला पैर थोड़ा पास रखना है, पास रखो. थोड़ा दूर रखना है, दूर रखो. ओके. 2, कीप इट टू द चेस्ट. 3, 4, 5, 6. कम ऑन, थोड़ा सा पावर चाहिए, थोड़ा सा और एफर्ट. एवरीबडी. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके, दूसरे पैर से 10 टाइम्स. ओके, रेडी. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. All right. Now see, very good practice. अपने नीज को चेस्ट के पास लेके जाएं. पाम्स आप अपने नीज पे रखें, एंड देन जस्ट नीज बाहर की तरफ और फिर फीट नीचे, एक बड़ा सर्कल बनाना है। कैसे? ऐसे, सी, मेक सर्कल। 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। अब ऑपोजिट, यानी कि बाहर से अंदर। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। चलिए, रिलैक्स। All right, guys, this is done. Keep breathing. Okay, just knees को chest के पास लाएं, दोनों हाथ hips के नीचे, और यहीं से just अपने पैरों को 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। अब नीज को चेस्ट के पास, जस्ट रोल साइड टू साइड। लेट जाए, शवासना। टेक 1 minute रेस्ट। ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रेथ। Now, join your legs, interlock the hands, stretch the arms up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale. राइट करवट लें और उठ के बैठ जाए। All right, join the hands, 1 Om mantra and 3 times Shanti mantra. Inhale. शांति शांति शांति। Rub your palms, place them over your eyes, open your eyes. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this weight loss class, and just keep doing the practice every day. Do share this video with your friends and family. और कल मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में कल, और तब तक के लिए अपना और अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रखें। स्टे हेल्दी एंड कीप स्माइलिंग। नमस्ते।